So hi. So
Hello.
before we start, yeah, nice.
Mhm.
So before we start, I would like to introduce myself. So my name is Atul, and I was born and brought up in Jharkhand, and right now I'm in Mumbai, and I'm doing my BCom in banking and finance. So that's it.
Okay.
And
Very
like,
nice.
are you sitting outside of your house or
Yeah.
something?
No,
Because
I
I
am.
can see that greenery behind you. Your
It's
background is very
outside.
attractive.
Bamboo trees. Yeah, bamboo trees behind me.
Like, what's the reason? Like, why are you sitting outside your house? Like, any specific reason if you want to tell me?
Yeah. Yeah. It's lonely place.
Ah, okay, nice. That's why. Okay.
And
So introduce yourself.
my name is Nitish, and I am from West Bengal. I did my graduation in BA, and right now I am working in my field as a farmer. That's it.
Okay, that's a nice thing to know. So Nitesh, just tell me one thing. Like, do you want me to correct you at the end or in the between?
Oh, if I make mistake,
Yeah,
oh,
yes, yes.
you can correct me after committing mistake.
Okay, so in between.
Okay, okay. I don't have any problem.
Okay, 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 nice. So, do you know the topic for the day?
I don't have, but I have been suggested for a dream about talking about dream.
Yeah, that's the topic for the day. And before I start with the topic, just tell me, like, what are the areas which you want to improve in your English? Like, is there any specific area?
Yes, I have.
Yes, what are they?
Sometime when I try to talk fluently, at that time I commit more mistakes like grammar mistakes, and
Yes.
I forgot to put s after
Okay.
third person singular number.
Yes.
Sometimes I misuse the preposition.
Preposition. Okay.
Uh,
On at it.
sometime
Yeah.
I and sometime I forget to use the third person participle form of verb. And when I try to talk uh, indirect speech,
Yeah.
mhm, at that time sometime I forget to make the same thing like verb third form. I forget to use the verb third form after was,
Yes.
after is, and I am done. Sometimes I miss that. I am.
Okay. Yeah. So these are your area, weak areas, right? But I think you know the basic grammar rule.
Yeah, I also
Yeah.
realize after making mistake that I am making mistake.
So that's the great thing. Like when you correct yourself, now that's so at that time you get a motivation at the very next level. Yeah, so you should keep correcting yourself as much as possible because while talking to you, I have realized that basic grammar rules like when to use es and s with the third form of verb or with the third person he she it, but when it comes to talking, you just forget, right? Because that's the issue.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. If I
So
write
the
or if I think before speak, at that time I make correct. But when I talk with flow, at that time I make the mistakes.
Yeah, it happens. It's because of lack of practice, you know.
Mm.
And the more mistakes we'll make, the more things we will learn. So just keep practicing it, right? And there you will get rid of it, and then you will avoid using those mistakes. Okay. So can we start with the topic?
Of course.
Yeah. So as you already know, the topic for the day is dreams. So what is the first thing which comes to your mind after you hear about this word dreams?
So I know two types of dream. What we see at our sleeping time, that is called dream, and what we want to be, that is also called a dream.
True,
So
true.
no, whatever I realize that today we are going to talk about the dream we see in our sleep time,
Yes,
right?
right, right.
Uh,
Yeah, you're
so
right. True, very true.
uh,
So my
yeah,
next question to you is, wanna say something? You want to say something?
no, no, you ask me, then I will. reply. That will be better.
Okay, nice. So like I have few questions with me and I'm gonna ask you. Okay. So the first question is, do you usually remember your dreams, like which you had your last night or something?
Mm,
So what was your last
yeah.
dream? Which you, yeah,
A
you can.
last dream was awful. uh, mm,
Okay, awful. Okay,
that,
okay. Like what was it?
that you can call the nightmare.
So just can you just tell me a little bit
Unpleasant
about?
dream. That was, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So
So
what was that
I
basically?
I was dreaming like I am in a fighting scene,
Oh,
and
fighting scene.
I am doing fighting with the people, and there were firings all around, and I received a bullet in on my
Oh,
chest.
my
Then I
God.
suddenly
Oh my
realized
God.
what. So that was my last dream. Yeah, I saw many pleasant dreams, and usually I saw good dreams, not unpleasant, but few dreams comes not comes a few dreams come like that.
Okay, so this was the scariest dream you ever had, right? Okay, so just tell me what was the best dream you had and you can recall it right now? Best dream. That this was the
I don't
unpleasant, but what was the best?
I don't know why I always see like that kind of dream, and that was my best dream. I got some powers. I don't know what kind of powers that is, but I'm
Magical
saving.
powers.
Yeah, and I'm
Okay.
saving people's life, and what I'm supposed to do what that time, like I am trying to jump from the building and I'm suddenly doing that, and I am not getting any harm.
Okay. So,
And I if I if
like Shaktiman.
not Shaktiman, that is why I'm telling that what kind of power it is I don't know.
Okay.
Whatever I am trying to do, that is being done without having any troubles.
Okay.
So that was my best dream, and I was thinking like that. I am a superhuman, and I am saving people's life, and people appreciating me. So that was my best dream, I think.
That yeah, yeah, that's really very nice and also nice thing to hear. Like, you have the combination of dreams, like some are unpleasant, some are very pleasant. So yeah, we should have this kind of dreams, which is a combination of everything, good plus bad, right? Okay. So Nitish, by the way, which is or what is your native language?
Bengali.
Okay. So you
I
know
belong from
Bengali.
West Bengal. Yeah, I belong from West Bengal.
Okay, so you know only Bengali, right? And you're learning English.
And no, I know Hindi and a little bit Haryanvi, Oriya, and Bengali.
OMG. Okay, so you know so many languages, right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So at home, do you speak? You generally speak in this
Bengali.
Bengali with your mom, dad, and all.
Mm.
Okay. So you're learning English. So like, is there any specific reason for that? Like, you want to apply for a job, that's why you're learning, or you want to teach? Are there any like reason like that?
No, no.
Hello.
Hello, is it okay? Hello, hello.
Actually, I don't know what happened to your video. It was paused. Now it's okay.
Okay, it's network issue.
Okay. So do you want me to repeat my question or?
No, I got your question.
Yeah. So, is there
So
any specific reason for learning
no,
English?
no, no, no. When Corona has started, at that time I was scrolling the YouTube, and suddenly I saw videos over Camly, Clappingo, like that, and the people are trying to learn communication. And that time I thought that I can also do like that, because I know a bit English, I can understand a little bit, but I never tried to speak. So this is the best time. I am indoor. I'm not allowing to go here and there. So this is the best time, and I started.
Okay,
And
so nice.
then I gradually realized that okay, it's improving. So now I can make a call with different strangers and I can convey my thought easily.
Yeah, yeah. So, like, is this your first app, English Shari, or this is your first time you're on like this website? Like, we have so many websites, like we have Cambly, we have Clappingo, we have English Shari. So, is this your first website in which you're having
Yeah,
conversation, or you have already had the experience
I
with
am
some
having
other?
conversation on Cambly. Then
Okay, okay, in Cambly as well. Okay,
I have
Cambly
done
and
two.
then at English Shari.
I have done two session in English area.
Okay, so this is your third session,
Third.
and how is it going on?
It's going. It's fine.
It's
Because Indian people are very understandable whenever introvert. If I try to understand British and American, they
yeah,
talk differently. Their pronunciation is different, but we are used to with our Indian flavor, so it is very understandable
yeah,
rather
exactly.
than.
I totally agree on that. Like, their accent is totally different. So they will pronounce, like we pronounce can't, C-A-N-T can't, but they will pronounce it as can't. I can't do it. So yeah, so
Yeah.
there is a lot of difference between pronunciation and all. Yeah, and with, when the tutor is Indian, so that's, I think, more friendly. Don't you agree with that?
Yes, I'm totally agree with that.
Yeah. So you told me that dreams are of two types. The first one is which you see at night and all. The second one is which you want to achieve. So now just let's
Mhm.
talk about the second dream. Okay. So